Hey guys, we're at the shop again today. We've got the Mav R on the hoist here. I've got another new product from MBRP. So quickly, this is our 40-inch direct bolt-on, everything included to put this light on your Mav R. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So it's a 40-inch, it is a curved, it comes 10 gauge laser cut bracketry, MBRP logos, comes with all the wiring you need, every single thing to literally right down to the wiring, plug and play, right to the fuse, power distribution. We've got rocker switches that fit in the factory locations here in your dash as well. So you can also see what we've done here. After a little bit of testing, we realized, as most high mounted light bars do, it just reflected into the cab, onto the dash, and back to the driver. So included with our kit here is a diffuser, and it's just allowing the light to go where we want it, out in front of us, instead of coming back and blinding our vision or our view. So one part number, we got 9219-02. Look that up at mbrp.com, or of course, find your local dealer and buy the parts there.